Hello guys, this is my first video on my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how can you use your mobile phone as a webcam, and you know what can you do. So let's start. First go to the link given in the description and download these files. You have to download all these files, or you can download this whole folder from here. As I have already downloaded, it's in my downloads. Here is the folder. First of all, we have to install this software. Okay, and I will install in front of you so there will be no confusion. And here we have finished the installation and it will launch automatically. After launching, you will see this window here, and you have to leave this as it is. And now let's jump to your Android device. So in your app store, search IRIUN, and here is the app. I have already installed it in my device. So now let's open this in your computer again, and now I will show you with my third camera. Here's the app. It's installed in my mobile, and just remember one thing, you have to be connected with the same network as your computer or laptop is connected. So let's open this and waiting for the connection, and it's connected. You can see here in my desktop my device is connected with my computer, and now I will show you here with full brightness. And okay, so you can see that my mobile device is connected with my computer without any data cable. It has been connected through Wi-Fi, and now you can do video call in whatever site you want or whatever software you have. Now let's talk about errors. These are the main errors which you face while installing this software. Now let's find out how to solve these problems. So first step is go to my computer, go to uninstall or change program. Here you will see an option, turn window feature on and off. Click on this and wait while it's loading. Here you have to find Microsoft Net Framework. Yes, here it is. Okay, so just tick both these options. Okay, and the second step is install this universal ABD driver set. I will install in front of you. Okay guys, in this video I have taken so many retakes because it is my first. Tell me in the comment section how is the video. And here we have installed this software, and I have installed in front of you. There's a warning message, window can't verify the publisher of this driver software. So you have to hit install this driver software anyway. The software has been installed. Now open my computer C drive, and in program files, no, I'm not here. Now in program files you will find clock work mode, and just open this and copy all these files, copy and paste in. Open the file location of the software. Here you will see ABD, this application. Now just delete this application. Yes guys, you have to remember this. Okay, try again, and it's done. Okay, now you have to make a new folder and name it ABD. Just open this and paste all the files you have copied from the universal ABD software. Okay, now refresh it and it's done. So guys, there will be some missing DLL files. You can download it from Google and place it in the file location of this software, and just refresh it and it's done. Okay, now let's open the software, and now we have to open this in our app, and it has been connected automatically. As you can see, you can change the resolution from here. And now let's open Chrome, and I have done this for my online classes. So I have Google Meet, and I will just show you as a trial. Here's join meeting, and you can see, and it is working in the Google Meet also. So you can change, in case if you cannot see this software in your default webcam, just go to the setting of whatever you are using. They have different setting and you can set it from there. And in video you can see camera, and here we can select IRI and webcam. So it's working properly in my computer, and I am using from so many days. Okay guys, now I am going, and just take care. Bye bye.